Hey everybody, it's Jen, and I am going to provide you today the Charlotte real estate market report for results ending in March 2025. So let's get started. So here, the Charlotte market report is giving all the Charlotte region encompasses all of these areas that are highlighted in green. So let's just click on the entire Charlotte region to start off with. So this is the market update for the Charlotte region for period ending March 2025. I'm going to just make that a little bit bigger for everybody to see. So you can see, I want you guys to notice the days on market in comparison with same time last year. So homes are sitting on the market 31% longer than they did same time last year. As you can see, 2024 March, they sat on the market 42 days until sale. Right now, they're sitting 55 days until sale. So that's 55 days until they get like under contract. And it's 99 days from the time they're listed to the time that it's closed. The average list price for homes in the Charlotte region is over 550,000, and then the average sales price is 511,564. Right, so you can see that. So more important thing to look at is the number of days on market until sale, because I know that if you have a house on the market right now and you're curious about why is it not selling, the days of homes selling in a weekend or in a week, I mean, those are rare. It depends on the neighborhood that your house is in and, all the amenities and things that people are looking for, right? So it's always like location, and price are very important. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to highlight York County, because York County is also another, it is in the surrounding South Carolina city borders right on the other side of Charlotte. So York County consists of Lake Wylie, Rock Hill, and Fort Mill. So we're just going to look at all of York County to give an update there. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger here. So same thing, the number of days on market until sale are higher for this year as they were same time last year, pretty much following the trend of Charlotte. 51 days from the time houses get listed to the time they go under contract, and 98 days until they close. So until you exceed that 51-day mark, I would just try to manage stresses, manage expectations. It's just their homes are just not, on average, not selling overnight or on a weekend anymore. The average list price for homes in the York County area is 540,000, so it is increased. The property is appreciating. And if you drive through York County, you are going to see tons of new construction, tons of development, not just in Fort Mill. You'll see it all over Clover. In York, you're going to see lots of new construction. And then not here, not in York County, but in other areas like Chester, Lancaster, you're seeing a lot of new construction and new development in those areas as well. But just wanted you to make sure to pay attention to the number of days on the market until sale, right? And as always, I like to show the showing report for the Charlotte region. The showing report shows you the number of showings that homes are getting, the showing statistics that homes are getting in the market area. So here's like a list. We can go down through, I think Charlotte is right here, Charlotte MSA. So that's the entire kind of Charlotte metropolitan area. Showings year over year, depending on the price point. So below, say, 199,000, anything below 200,000, the showings have gone down. The big increase is 10% increase in homes in the Charlotte area that are above the $300,000 price range. And then you can see the year over year change, the number of showings that buyers are having in, or interest in the showings that they're seeing. Buyers' interest in the homes that are on the market is down from the same time last year. So that's what the Charlotte MSA and the showings report looks like. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the last page, which is the York County showings. Since I gave you York County market, let's look at the York County showings. You'll see the same thing here. So decrease in homes that are below 200,000. Again, York County pretty much follows the same trends as the Charlotte MSA, the Charlotte market does. So you'll see that there's an increase in number of showings for homes that are above 309,000, but the number of buyer interest, which is right here, this buyer interest has gone down over same time last year. So buyers now are being extremely particular on the homes that they are selecting. Buyers now are being very particular on the homes that they're selecting. They're being be aware of the current interest rate in the market. They're looking at all of the homes that are available to them, and they are looking for, number one, for deals. Number one, they're looking for complete move-in ready. The average buyer that I have been talking to, they're not interested in updating kitchens or updating flooring. They're interested in, because of the rate that they're paying and the prices of the homes, they want to get into a home that is move in ready. So investors are still looking for deals, but homeowners who are looking for a primary residence, they're being a little bit more particular about the homes. So that's why you can it kind of speaks to how the buyer interest in the homes that are on the market has gone down from the same time last year. So I hope this information was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you want these reports into your email box, send me a DM. Let me know you want these reports. I will reach out, get your email, and I will put these reports right into your email box. And if you want them on a regular basis, you can have them every month. Thank you so much. If you liked what you see here, if you got some good information, then make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Have a great Easter. Here, the Charlotte Market Report.